Hey guys, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. It's your boy Chris. Today is a very special, unique, different episode. I'm going to show you a little bit about my bathroom because something happened here the other day and I'm going to share it with you guys. If that sounds interesting, meet you right back here after the jump. Alright guys, so you may not think that this is all that interesting, but I find it extremely interesting. I got up to go to work, as you guys know. Unfortunately, the Well-Rounded Dude is not my full-time job. I got up at about 4:30 in the morning to get ready for my day job, and I noticed a huge bubble sitting on my bathroom ceiling. As some of you know, most of you should know, that's not a good sign at all. That means that there's water buildup or some kind of debris, and I'm right. As the day progressed, the bubble got worse, the ceiling sagged a little bit more, and my bathroom ceiling caved in. And as you can see, it's not a pretty picture. This is what I'm left with. So that's what's going on in the bunker bathroom as we speak. My ceiling is ripped out. It's bare studs that I can see. And I had toilet water leaking into the bathroom from my upstairs neighbor. Also their shower. Now, you may be asking yourselves, that's perfect. You may be asking yourselves, why am I telling you this? Well, the reason why I'm telling you is things happen. Stuff comes up, unfortunately, and we have to deal with that in life. This is not the most ideal situation. I wouldn't wish this on anybody, but it would have been 10 times worse if I had a bad attitude about it. I've been just very, okay, what's next? You know, I didn't do anything to cause this. This wasn't my fault. It just happened. And that's what you have to do when bad situations come up in life. Take lemons, make lemonade out of it. Because lemonade is delicious, by the way. If you don't love lemonade, there's something wrong with you. But I digress. It's important to roll with the punches in life. Now, I could have gotten upset and disappointed and angry that I have to live for a few months with no ceiling in my bathroom and a bathroom was covered in poop water. And I'm not happy about it, but I'm managing, rolling on with the punches. It's what you have to do. Take that adversity, keep going. Now, hopefully soon, this will be covered up and I'll be able to show you guys my brand new bathroom. But until then, this is what I'm stuck with. I'm just going to make the best of it. Also, too, just to put things in a little bit of perspective. Working on the channel, working on the Well-Rounded Dude, it's pretty much a part-time job. That's about amount of time I put in per week to get a video out to you guys. It's roughly 12 to 20 hours. So this definitely took time away from that. But I'm just rolling with the punches and I'm still going with it. I'm not going to stop putting out content because of it. I'm just making everything work and getting out content for you guys. So like I said, quick video, short update. That's all we got for this week. But please follow us on social media and be sure to check us out next time when we, hopefully I won't be having toilet water in my bathroom. All right, guys. Take care. See ya.